Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl again here with another video for you guys, another learning video where we learn a lot of things in this channel. You learn cooking, you learn how to use smart TVs, you learn a lot of things in this channel. So happy new year to you all. Happy 2026. We're just remaining with only few hours to the new year. Yes, so let's pray and hope that God will make us also reach to the next year peacefully and very healthy. In Jesus' name, that is going to happen. Yeah, in case you are new here, my name is Susan Pauls. Yeah, you can call me Susan. Yes, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, actually, I'm going to be showing you the use of the YouTube Studio app. That is for content creators. If you're a content creator outside there, or if you want to become a content creator, you have to have a YouTube Studio. That is most especially if you want to become a YouTuber. Specifically, if you want to become a YouTuber, you need the YouTube Studio app. Yes, because that is going to help you in all things that you want to see about YouTube. So in case you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly go ahead and smash that red subscribe button below, and also like, just most especially like the video, share it to your friend, and most especially comment the video. Tell me, what is it, do you like the video, do you want which videos do you want to see in my channel? Yeah, so let's get right to the video. So I'm using this phone to show you. Yes, so with YouTubers, it is a must that you have to have a YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is here. I don't know whether it's here. YouTube Studio. So I don't know whether you can see. So without wasting time, let me just play it for you. I don't know, it is seen from there, YouTube Studio. So let me click it out for you and show you. So that is a YouTube Studio. The YouTube Studio is a hub that is connected to the YouTube, and that will show you all the work that you do on YouTube. So if you want to know all the details about YouTube, then the YouTube Studio can show you all the work. So YouTube Studio is a app that can show you the whole total of the subscribers than the YouTube app, because the YouTube app will just show you have 4K.8K subscribers. Then if you want to see all that total 0.8, you just have to come to the YouTube Studio, click on it, and it will show you have 4,812 subscribers. Also, it will show you that how many analytics of the channel, analytics of the channel. You can see it is 3.5K views, you can see there. And also the watch hours of the channel. Yes, the watch time hours. The watch time hours are the watch time hours that people have watched, is the time which people have watched your channel. So we have the watch time. Actually, they are dead. Like, they are dead. This channel is dead. So people have watched, the viewers that I have in this channel are actually 3.5, and then the watch time hours for the last 28 days is actually 21.6, and they are dead. You can see that, dead, like dead. And then also the use of the YouTube Studio is actually to show you the total views of the channel, how many they click through, the impression, click through, all work of the video. If you want to see how your video performed, yes, you can see everything. Impression, click through rate, average view duration, yes, the response. Even if you want to comment on the channel, to respond to the comment that somebody sent long time ago, you can come to your YouTube Studio and then click on that comment, read it, and then reply back to that person using the YouTube Studio app. Also, the work of the YouTube Studio, as you can see down here, is actually showing, can you, It's not showing. It's showing the dashboard, the comments, the content, yeah, the analytics, the community, and the earn. You can see those five apps down there. Yes, we are going to go through one by one. So with the dashboard, you can see the dashboard. The dashboard is the one that you can see your subscribers there, your profile there. They click through the work of the video, how the video perform. That is all that you're going to see at the dashboard. Yeah, that is all that you're going to see at the dashboard. All right, so when we go to content, you can see that second one, content. So when you go to content, you can see what is going to show you from there. Yes, content is going to show you your videos. Yeah, you see your videos. Yeah, also if you want to scroll there, you can see your videos. Yeah, let's just scroll on this one. Those are all my videos. Yeah, you can see those are all my videos. And then also when you click on the content, it will show you all that up there. Yeah, I don't know whether that all is seen. It will show you the type of the video, the visibility, the views, the restrictions, things like that, all that. So then if you want to scroll on the content, you can just scroll. You can see that, scroll and see how many videos you see. Also, it will show your shorts. You see your short form videos. It will show your short form videos, your long form videos, your live videos, the videos that you normally go live. It will all show. And then also down here, it will show you your playlist. This is my playlist. So if you want to scroll, you just go ahead and scroll. It will show live. It will show your videos that you normally record. That is from YouTube Studio. That is why YouTube Studio is recommended for all the YouTubers. If you're a YouTuber, it's a must. You have to have the YouTube Studio app. So we are done with the content. So let's go to the analytics of the video. That is a number 3 from this. So there, where you can see the black dot there, that is analytics. So when you come to the analytics, let me show you that. It will show you the overview. I don't know whether it's in the overview, the content, the audience, the revenue. Let's go. You can see up there the revenue, the trends, and we are going to, when you also scroll there, you can see the videos that are trending with the suggested contents about that video. That is what you're going to see. Yeah, yes, plus the performance of your videos. So from there up, you're going to see the overview. This is what the overview is showing, the videos that you posted and how they are performing. Then also here it has the content. When you click on the content, it is going to show how many views, the shorts. Do you want to see your shorts? Do you want to see your long form videos? Do you want to see anything that you want to see? The impression click through about your videos, how your videos are performing, which countries are watching, how viewers find your videos. That is all you're going to see. All about your channel, all about your videos, you're going to see there. All right, and then after that, we are going to go to the audience. So let's go to the audience. You can see that the audience. So when you go to the audience, it will show the monthly audience, okay, and the subscribers there. Okay, so when we go to the audience, it will show you audience by watch hours. It will show you there new viewers, casual viewers, regular viewers. Go scroll. Age of the viewers, the how device type the one viewers are using to watch your videos, mobile, TV, computer, tablet, and the age also of the viewers there, and also the gender of the viewers, and also the countries of the viewers, where the countries are, where the viewers are from. All of that you will see it from your audience. Yes, using the YouTube Studio app. And then from there, we are going to go to the revenue. The revenue is where you earn money that YouTube pays you, that Google AdSense pays you for your sweat, for posting videos on YouTube, for creating good content, for sharing good ideas to other people. That is where you're going to see your revenue. You can see there it is showing now $0 because I am not yet paid. All right, so it is going to show you the how much you are earning. Estimated last 6 months, December ongoing, nothing, $0, zero. That is where you're going to see how you earn money on YouTube, how much this video paid me, how much how much I got paid this month, last month, the previous month. You're going to see all that there at the YouTube Studio, and it will display for you the word revenue. All right, and then also after that we are going to go to trends. It's where you find the topics trending or suggesting your content. Yes, that is where you're going to find the videos, the contents that are suggesting also your content. So when you scroll, you can see there is a video there. Yeah, you can see there is a video there suggesting my content. Yeah, and then we are just going to scroll. There is also another video suggesting my content because I do cooking videos, and then also there is another one there, and then also it is showing the top searches, easy sweet recipes at home. You can scroll there. There is also still another arrow, and also if you still want to search for those videos, you can still search them and it will show you all that. All right, yes, that is the work of the YouTube Studio. Okay, that was all about the analytics. You can see the black dot there. Then now we are going to the community. You can see there community is showing 3 dots, 3 people. I mean 3 people, yes, a community. So a community is where you can actually share the ideas with your, actually these days is where you can share ideas with your subscribers. Also, if they want to post anything at your community, they can post. Also, if you want to share anything to your subscribers through the community, you can post and share to them, and they can view them, and then they can judge whether it's good or not, or if they any product, anything that you want to share, or whether today you're not posting a video, you just post it at your community. Anything. Community is where we share ideas. You see, that is the work of the YouTube Studio, and that's where all the content creators like the YouTubers control YouTube work. Okay, and then after that we come to earn. You can see that last part with a dollar sign there. Then we are going to click earn. You can see the dollar sign. You can see my channel was demonetized, so I am not earning. All right, you can see all that my channel was demonetized and I am not earning from YouTube. You can see that sign is a sign of demonetization from YouTube. So with this sign, with this earn sign, it will show you it's where you see that you've reached 4,000 hours, watch time hours, and you've reached to 1,000 subscribers. Or is where you see your qualification to the YouTube Partner Program. That is where you can see you have qualified to be paid on the YouTube Partner Program through Google AdSense, because this is where you can see your money. You can see you've qualified Yes, this is where you can actually sign to the YouTube partner program at that time when you qualify. When all those blue lines are full, you can see this line is not full, this line is not full. If they are full, then they are going to show you from here, from down here. You can see this black button. It will pop black, pure black, and then you're going to tap on it to apply for the YouTube partner program, to be the partner program of the YouTube and to be paid from YouTube. Yes, YouTube is YouTube pays. Yes, that one I cannot deny. YouTube pays. And for the YouTubers to see all their earnings, they use the YouTube Studio app to control all the earnings, to see all the work done by them, and to see how their videos are performing. You must have the YouTube Studio app. So without the YouTube Studio app, there is no way you're going to monitor the work, the performing of your videos. There is no way you're going to monitor the payments, your payments. Yes, you have to have a YouTube Studio app. So, like you've heard, I am done explaining all the work of the YouTube Studio app. I hope you're going to learn something from it. That is the work of the YouTube Studio app. So if you're a content creator, or if you're beginning, if you want to start YouTube and you want to actually start posting videos and you want to be a YouTuber, you must have the YouTube Studio app. It is a must. Whether you like it or not, you must download it. It is just very easy and very simple, and it will help you to see all your work. Yes, it will help you to show all your work. For that is it is work. All right. So everything about YouTube, you will see it at the YouTube Studio. Everything, the earnings, how your videos are performing, how people are watching your videos, where are they watching your videos, are they from UK, from England, from Kenya, from Uganda, from Canada. You can see all that at the YouTube Studio app. All the work, it was actually simplified to be at the YouTube Studio app. Yes, so as simple as that. I hope you have learned something, how to check all the work, how to see how your videos are performing at the YouTube Studio app. So if you have learned something, kindly don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and also share this video to your friend, and tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next video. Happy New Year. Bye. Mwah.